Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing what matters. Copy your save and mod folders now and label them. Once done, download the updated Chica Asset Pack V2, 1 and the 0. 5 texture patch so you have consistent sources. Make sure to stage tools, Unity executable for previews, an asset extractor to unpack bundles, and a plain text editor for small tweaks. You do this to avoid data loss, and to guarantee you can revert if the new assets clash with older files. You now replace and retarget assets, step by step, because mismatched rigs break animation. Start by extracting the original Chica bundle and compare GUID and skeleton mappings, note differences. Then retarget animations to the ruin rig, adjust root transforms, and set FK versus IK priorities so motion remains natural. Next, merge textures and reconcile shader parameters. Change compression settings to prevent artifacts. This keeps visual fidelity consistent and avoids animation pops when you load the character. You finish by running in-engine tests to validate behavior and performance. Play short sequences at 30 to 60 frames per second while watching for pops or console errors. Once done, optimize by reducing poly count, adding LODs, and removing unused bones and shader passes to keep frame rates stable. If things still fail, revert to your backups, double-check GUID mismatches, and reapply the 0.5 patch. This common troubleshooting step often isolates the offending asset or mapping issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.